So hello everybody, it is Friday, so it's time for another DAX Fridays, a new DAX function every Friday. Now, in today's DAX Fridays, I'm going to show you how you can split a column with text by the position of a delimiter. Okay, and we're going to use left, right, LEN on search. So it is a great way to also document these functions on our DAX glossary. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. So what I've done, I've gone into the Billboard 100 website and got the top 100 artists at the moment. Number one is Kenny Chesney. I don't know who that is. I have to actually look him up after the video. But if we assume that the name of the artist, the artist has only one name, and that's the one that we want to split, we are going to do it this way. Are you ready? Now, I'm going to use this in steps, but you can put everything in one DAX formula at the end, okay? So, we want to have the first word before the space. So, get the names of the artists if they only have one name. So, we go to new column. And the first thing we need to do is to search to find where the space is on that column. So, we're going to use search, the function search. And this is how search works. I have already a video for that, so go and look it up if you want more details. So first you have to tell which text you want to find. In this case, it's a space. Then you want to tell where, right? So it is on the top 100 artists. That's where we want to find the space. And then it says start position. We don't care if you leave it blank, it starts from the beginning. And then what happens if there is no found value? If you don't write those, this is what happens. It's actually giving us an error. And it says that search text provided to function search could not be found in the given text. And the problem with this is that, for example, Drake here doesn't have a space. Because it doesn't have a space, it returns an error. And then the error gets everywhere on the column. So what we need to do to solve that is to actually specify the not found value. And the not found value, for example, if there is no space, what we want to know, because we want to extract the name anyhow, and the name will be the entire column, we want to know the length of that column, of that text. So we're going to use len, and then top 100 artists. And then if we do it like that, you'll see that for the first one, Kenny, the space is on position 6. For the second one, there is no space, but Drake has 5, right? So it will know where to split to actually get the when we are using left and right. So now, if we want to extract the name on that column, what we're going to do is go to new column. Again, you can do this in one at the end, but just to show you how it works. And we're going to get the name. So we're going to use left, and left will get the text from a number of characters you specified from the left. Doing this in Power Query is a breeze, but sometimes you have to do it in DAX, so that's why I'm showing you. So the text that you want to extract things from is the top 100 artists, and then the number of characters. That's where you would write the search function. We already have written it, so I don't want to write it again. We put the search column in there, otherwise we write the search function. And then we have here the first text before the space in the name. Cool, right? Okay, now if we want to get the surname, so what we need to do is we already know where the first space is. So if we get the total length minus the space, it will give us the number of characters that we need. And if we start from the right, we will get the surname. So let me show you. We go to new column. We're going to call it right. Oh no, we will call it surname. That's what we're going to get. Surname. And then we're going to use right, so we're going to start taking from the right the top artists, and then we're going to get the length of the top artist, so the entire length of the cell, minus search. Okay? And that should give us the surname. Cool, right? So now you know how to work with right, left, LEN, and search, and how to fix search when it brings an error.